If you want to learn how I completed this look, stay tuned. What's up everyone, it's your girl Kia Amore and I'm here today with another video. So today starts the 4-part series on how to braid. So today's braid is going to be the Ghana braid, and I have Bridget here and she has already been pre-parted for this tutorial. So as I go, I'm going to be readjusting some parts. So if it looks a little crooked, don't even worry about it. You can always readjust the hair as you go. I just want to give one little word of advice. If you are using a mannequin head, i.e. this type of head with the hair, parting and braiding on a mannequin head is a little different than parting and braiding on an actual human head. It's a lot easier to manipulate when parting and braiding because it's so soft, whereas this hard, plastic is very hard. So parting the hair and braiding it is not going to be the same. So if your parting is crooked, that's okay, because you're here for a reason. You're here to learn and practice. So you'll get better in time. Do not be discouraged and do not give up. So without further ado, let's get started. Wait. Where you going? I know you're not about to leave this video without first liking it. Stick around a little while. Maybe something on here that you might love, okay? And then while you're at it, subscribe to my channel. You know you want to. I know you do. And when you subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get an alert on the next time I post a video, okay? Don't you leave here without doing all that, okay? Because I'm watching. All right, now back to what we was doing. Okay, so you take a piece of hair, split it in half, and you form 2 loops. You take the hair, add it to the tip of the parted section on the base, and you start the braid like how you would do any regular braid. So it's right under middle, middle over left, right under middle, middle over left, right under middle, and then you take your section of hair and you feed it in to the braid. So you wrap the hair around your pinky, right leg into the middle leg, right over middle, left leg into the middle leg, middle over left, right under middle, grab a piece of hair, feed it in into the middle leg, right under middle, left leg into the middle, middle over left, right under middle. It doesn't matter how many legs you feed into this braid. It's really up to the person. To me, it doesn't matter either way, whether it's 5 or 7. It's still a very beautiful braid. When braiding the Ghana braid, you want to make sure that when you feed in that leg that you grip it as tight as possible. If not, each leg will appear to be loose, and it would then begin to make the braid appear to be very sloppy. So when you feed it in, hold it tight, pull it tight, and continue to grip it until that portion of the braid is finished. Once you've added your last desired leg, you continue braiding the braid like a regular cornrow. Now that I've shown you how to create the braid, I'm going to speed up the next portion of the video so you can see how I executed the next couple of braids. The part where I told you that you may have to fix some sections, well, this is an example. That braid didn't have enough hair in it to meet at the edge of Bridget's hairline, so I had to go in and take a braid and remove some hair from that section and add it to the next section so that it will be able to be braided and meet the other braids on the hairline. Now that I'm on the other side of Bridget's head, I decided to switch sides so you guys could better see me. However, the rules still apply. Braid it exactly how you braided the other side. guys, and this is the finished result. And like I said to you earlier, if you had any issues with parting, that's okay, because if you're doing it on a mannequin, it's kind of hard to get the lines, get the partings perfect, because this is a hard head and it's not human flesh, so it's hard to like part the hair to where it's like completely straight. But you're practicing, you're on the right path. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was a great help to you all, and send me a picture so I can see what you guys have done, okay? Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome to our channel.